This will catch a fish like instantly, bro. Told you. Told you. All right, I'm throwing this little lipless crank. Oh my God, anchors. All right, switching it up. Wacky rig Senko. I caught two big bass on the same bait right here with it. Already getting desperate using the wacky rig.
You know what they say, bro? Big bait catch big fish, bro.
Bro, slap that thing on there. After 15 minutes of fishing in what we call Booty Hole Bay, we decided to move on to the next spot. All right, anchor's going in. A little bit smoother than last time. All right, I got this goofy fluke thing with the goofy weight on. Oh, it is kind of weedy though.
Is it weedy?
Yeah, in there.
Up close?
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
On?
Come on.
If Hayden calls me, I'm gonna be pissed. Hayden's calling me. Nice. No! That's one down. Pike flip. All right, sweet.
We landed it.
We got a fish this time. All right, let's see that thing.
You see how much she weighs just for gicks and shiggles?
Gicks and chiggles.
Pound and a half.
Pike one, or fish one. Both kind of two. Damn, he's pissed. All right, let's get back to it.
0.33, you see that? Might have fallen off, but...
Shortly after Hayden caught that bass, we moved to the next spot. I forgot to hit record when I hooked the biggest pike of the day right next to the boat. Landon was too busy handling the fish to record and it ended up slipping out of his hands. However, we did get the fish in the boat, bringing our total number to 2.
Here's if I could re-put it back on.
Oh, really? This will catch a fish like fucking instantly, bro. Told you. I told you. First cast. No. What the f? That really felt like a fish. Unless I just kicked his. Oh yeah, no fish. Never mind. First cast, I said it'd catch one instantly. Oh, he's taking one. Yeah, big pike. Tire him out real quick. Yeah, he's tired out.
I should not have done that. I hope I got that. This will catch a fish first try. First cast. Saw another pike. Alright, sweet. We're at 3 now. Peace. Fish number 2 on the board. Dude, look how that hook set. Alright, there we go.
That would be the last catch before we had to call it a night. We would come back later.